Hey you guys, it's Simone again, and let's get right into this video. So my brows are freshly not done and I'm just going to use the NYX dark brown eye pencil, and what I do is just outline the bottom of my brow and then I outline the top of my brow as well. I try not to go too far in front of my brow, that way I can get the ombre effect. So I'm just filling in my brow with this pencil, and everything is really self-explanatory, so you guys could just watch me do my brows. And then I'm gonna blend it out with the spoolie brush, and I'm just blending out the front of it, and then I go gradually into the middle of my brow, that way I can get that really good blend. Okay, so now I'm going in with LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Cool Tan, and I usually use the color Fawn at the top of my brow, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use Cool Tan and make sure I blend it out so I don't have no ghostly look on my eyebrows. But yeah, I'm just putting that, just cleaning up the brows so they can look freshly beat, okay? And I don't know, like my brow on this side, the one that I'm doing, is the arch is always high. I don't know if it's just me, but yeah, my eyebrow, that arch is pretty high, so they're not supposed to look like twins, but they are sisters. I always remember that. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, that red button right down there, and then hit that bell so you know when I post my next video. You don't want to miss what I have coming up next, or any other videos that I have coming for you guys. I really appreciate when you guys subscribe to my channel. That lets me know that people are actually watching and tuning in. Like, that makes me feel so good. Okay, so now I am blending my life away, because I don't want to have that white cast or whatever they call it. But I just want it to be, crisp but not ghostly looking. That's the only way that I can put it. I do blend one eyebrow before I move on to the next one, just so I can. It does dry pretty fast. I don't know why, but yeah, it does dry pretty fast, so I have to move quickly when I do this. That way it doesn't dry on my skin. But yeah, y'all see how that brow look higher than the other one? That's so weird to me. Like, but it's trial and error. My eyebrows don't look the same every day, so I just work with them. I ain't gonna penalize them. It is what it is. so I just do the last minute touches, touching it up. I'm beating my face after this video. Y'all will see that. Make sure y'all subscribe. That way y'all can see it. And yeah, this is the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see something else. But I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.